What's good, everybody? Welcome back to yet another video. So guys, I can explain I've been gone for a week though, but even in the week before last, I posted one video. But anyway, that's besides the point. I am back now, hopefully, but I'll try to record as many videos as possible and just, you know, post them and stuff, and then all that shebang. As you know, no, you don't know, guys, life has been busy and stressful, but not bad stress that wanted me to go jump off a cliff, you get. But anyway, so in today's video we're going to be talking about the best programming language. So today's video is inspired by someone in the comment section who really needed advice on which bootcamp to pick. And so there were two bootcamps that offered different things, and then you know what, and then he was asking, he or she, I'm not sure if it was a he or a she, yeah, they were asking which one is the best. So also I did mention that it's important to know what it is that you want as a person, as a software developer. If you want to be a front end, back end developer, full stack, you want to be whichever industry, because I mean there's different types of programming languages that are used predominantly, not Bible static. It's not static where you can't now, yeah, but there's languages that are used in certain industries. So you also need to know which industry you want to work in. So for instance, if you want to do gaming, then you can go to C++, all that type of stuff. So hence I'm doing the best programming languages. So I mean, we already know the answer to that. There is none. Sorry to disappoint you, but we all know that. I mean, nobody's disappointed here. That's not the point. So for instance, right, if you are that one person who would like to do front end, well, this is for me as well. I'm not saying this is what everyone should do, but I'm just giving examples. Yeah, so basically if you want to do front end development, I would go for something like TypeScript or JavaScript. So I'll just classify them under one branch, because I mean but again, this TypeScript does compile into JavaScript, so they're more or less the same. So good thing about it is that it is built into web browsers, so it makes the running of the website very much faster and all of that. You don't need to be installing what. You know what I'm saying. And also, given the fact that you're able to update data and use update your your CSS and your HTML stuff, so that is pretty amazing. I know even if you would use C#, because I remember in my third year, guys, I didn't know better. We created C# buttons, and even when you use C# as your front end, you can still call or update or change or create your HTML elements, whatever you call it, guys. I get it even totally front end, but you get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's basically what I would go for. And then for things like data science, machine learning, scripting, and all of those things, Python is the one, guys. I still have Python on my bucket list, right? I think the one thing that made me, I didn't, I used to get a lot of ads on my Instagram telling me to enroll into data science course using Python. That's where my interest and curiosity rose. And I was just okay. But anyway, you can also do your data science and machine learning in Java and Ruby, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But what's this? Python, it would be more effective, because I mean Python is guys, I would like to use it, I mean, given the fact that it's faster to program in terms of there's no curly braces, and Python, I'm coming for you, my friend. I gotta learn it. I owe it to myself. And given the fact that it has so many libraries, it has data science libraries, it has machine learning libraries, and all that shebang. And then if I would like to build like server applications, I would then go for languages like Golang, Java, or C Sharp. So that would be for your native app development. Okay, so in terms of the three, I know I've mentioned all three. So I'm rating them from like fastest to slowest. The fastest one is what's this, Golang, in terms of like the performance and stuff, and then would also have number two C Sharp, and then the last one would then be Java. So there's a slight difference between your C Sharp and Java. So as you know, so between C Sharp and Java, there's a slight difference in terms of performance. So basically, it would all boil down to its compilers. So C Sharp would then use just-in-time compiler, and Java would use ahead of time compiler. So yeah, they slightly differ, but like they almost the same. But like, I mean, guys, it's one of those things. If there's a when there's a race between Usain Bolt and Anaso, so if the difference is like 2 seconds or 2 milliseconds, the one who's ahead by 2 milliseconds is still ahead, right? Regardless. So yeah, so Golang is incredibly fast, and then you would have C Sharp, and then you would have what's this thing? Yeah, Java. So in terms of um game development, guys, what a wow. What a wow. So guys, let's talk about C++. C++ is one of those, for me, right? I don't dislike C++, but I don't think I would choose it as my main programming language. I mean, already I'm using C Sharp. Who knows, in the future I might be using something else. But usually C Sharp is used for like high performance systems. So you would have your gaming, hence it's like perfect for gaming, because a lot of things happen in the gaming, guys. It's on a lot of things happen in there, right? So it would make sense why you would need C++. Also, like C++ is faster than C Sharp, is faster than Java. I'm not sure which one is faster between C++ and Golang, but I would assume, right? This is an assumption. If it's not, forgive me. I think it's C++, because I do remember that C++ is closely related to assembly, which is like machine code. So C++ is pretty snappy, right? But can I tell you what I hate, right? From an algorithms and concepts levels, right? So C++ was one of the first languages I learned when I learned how to program. Well, when I got introduced to programming, right? So which is, I wouldn't agree with it, because why are we learning with C ins and C out? Why are we learning about operator overloading? I remember the one thing I hated was operator overloading. And another thing, guys, it's known for its amazing memory management, which is good for it. But guys, also when you create objects, you must delete objects. Also, guys, when you forget to delete those objects, that could potentially, or not potentially, it's going to be like it's gonna cause memory leaks. And yeah, that's not what we want to do. But anyway, it's such a fantastic, language in terms of the memory management, providing control, flexibility, optimization of the gaming resources. I mean, like, it's amazing. And I think the only thing I've built with C++ was only, okay guys, you know what I mean. So yeah, was games. I mean, all my computer science practicals were all led into games. So me learning C++, I had to create a game. And I think we didn't do graphics in C++. We only did graphics in Java, which was very exciting. But yeah, I mean, maybe one day I'm gonna be, a game developer, and I'll be, But it makes, but some games are developed in Java. Yeah, but like also, but mostly like, yeah, there are Java, like even C plus plus, I mean not C plus plus, C sharp. It has like the Unity for game development, which is quite great. Yeah, but anyway, that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that's it for me. Bye.